Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. Well, I'm in Beverly Hills, folks. I'm gonna go to Rodeo Drive before it gets dark, and then I'm gonna show you the palm trees out here in Beverly Hills. Are pretty cool. Yep. Here in LA, cars come out of all directions, man. Here we go, Wilshire Boulevard. We're on Rodeo Drive. I mean, we're on Wilshire Boulevard. I'm gonna make a right on Rodeo Drive. I hope the camera is capturing though. I think it does. Beverly Hills, man. I'm gonna take it easy though, because you have the cops all over the spot over here. So this is Wilshire Boulevard. Over there, I think like a couple of streets is gonna be Rodeo Drive. I'm gonna make a right, go to Rodeo Drive and go up north. I'm gonna show you guys the palm trees and stuff. I'm gonna try to fly the drone north of Beverly Hills, get some drone shots of the palm trees. They have a construction going on underneath this Wilshire Boulevard. They have a metro construction going all the way to the beach. Rodeo Drive is the next street, folks. Let me take it easy. Let me show you all around the street. This is the Wilshire Hotel over here. We're gonna make a right. This is Rodeo Drive. Let me show you all here. Let me show you all. This is the Wilshire Hotel over here. I'm gonna make a right on Rodeo Drive. Let's make a right. Let's go through Rodeo Drive. I'm gonna take it easy. Let's go. I'm on Rodeo Drive. I walk through here. I have videos me walking through here though. I got Louis Vuitton. I mean, it's kind of like a fancy area though. It's a fancy area. It's mostly like designer clothing. So this is the end of Rodeo Drive. I'm gonna head north and get some. Yeah, just keep going. That's the Saint Laurent. Let's head. Let me show you all real quick. I'm not gonna get a mess with me. This Saint Laurent shit over here. Saint Laurent over there. To the Rodeo Drive. Jump back on the bike. Hit the streets. I'm gonna go north. If the sun doesn't set, I'm gonna get drone shots of me riding through the palm trees. Pretty nice though here around sunset. It's cool. here. Always traffic. The Beverly Hills sign is over there. You see? I'm gonna make a left right now. I'm gonna show you. It's over there. That's the Beverly Hills sign is over there. I'm gonna make a left and go between these homes. I hope the camera captures well. It's on my chest, but I don't know if it's capturing. I'm shooting on wide view, so I'm gonna go through the palm trees, going north, and then once I get there, I might fly the drone. If not, because it's not dark yet anyway. It's not dark yet. Yeah. So then we'll see what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go to the Beverly Hills Hotel too. And you can check out my last video on Rodeo Drive. I drove north too. I actually wanted to try the drone because I have this new feature on the drone where the drone can track me. Man, these places, true, of course, man. You see the Beverly Hills sign right there? And they don't stop. They do not stop. Wait for this old guy to go back. He's on a bicycle. It's nice, man. Sick. Look, public park over there, bro. Yeah. I'm gonna go through the Beverly Hills Hotel again. Let's wait, man. This intersection is confusing, huh? That's the Beverly Hills Hotel right there. These streets are very cool too. It's getting dark. I was thinking to go through this street right here. I'm gonna go through the Beverly Hills Hotel. Yeah, let me show you the Beverly Hills Hotel real quick. Yeah. I'll show you right now. It's right there. Beverly Hills Hotel right there. And you get palm trees. We're gonna go through the Beverly Hills Hotel again. I wanted to fly the drone though. Man, I think I'm gonna go fly the drone. Anyway, let's go through the Beverly Hills Hotel entrance and see what's on. I hope the GoPro is doing a great job at night because they are not known for like stop for a sec. and show you all around this. Yeah, go ahead, bro. See the palm trees? It's pretty cool. This is the Beverly Hills Hotel. They got a Rolls Royce parked over there. I'm gonna go through this and get out of the other on the other side. The bike right here. It's beautiful. Before it gets dark. This is the Beverly Hills Hotel. I don't know if the camera captures that well. Let's go. Yeah, Rolls Royce. This place is usually packed with celebrities though. I'm sure I'm 100% there is a celebrity right here right now. Let's just go. We got a Rolls Royce right here. This car costs like probably $500,000. Let's just go through here. That was the Beverly Hills Hotel, mates. People of the internet. Okay, so now now I don't know what to do. We just head home. I'm gonna try to get a drone shot actually. I mean that's it for now. Or should I go straight through this? You know what? Let's keep filming for now though. This intersection is confusing, man. They don't even have like arrows and stuff. Yeah, I don't know, man. And it's full of cars. I don't know why it's busy like this here, man. Traffic here is crazy. It's crazier than downtown LA. I don't know where these people coming from, man. Stop it real quick. That's it.